Today we are making the most gorgeous cafe-style mushroom avocado ricotta cheese, sourdough toast, creamy, savory and glossy. Let's start with avocado base. In a mixing bowl, add 1½ ripe avocados. Mash them lightly, then season with salt, black pepper, fresh lemon juice to brighten everything. Next, add 1 tablespoon of a Greek yogurt for extra creaminess, a drizzle of olive oil. Mix it together until it's smooth but still has a little texture. This is going to be our rich, tangy base layer. Go ahead and set it aside. Now let's make the star of this toast, glossy flavorful mushroom. Heat a pan on a medium heat. Add a good drizzle of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Let it cook just until fragrant. Now add your sliced mushroom. I'm using full mushroom, and season with salt and pepper. Cook this for about 5 minutes until the edges turn golden and they start releasing moisture. Once mushroom brown beautifully, add a splash of a soy sauce for umami flavor and a drizzle of balsamic glaze for sweetness, glossiness and shine. Let this cook for another 3 to 5 minutes until the mushrooms look sticky, caramelized and glossy. Remove from heat and keep them aside. Now for the crispy sourdough. Take your sourdough slices, drizzle a little olive oil on both sides, add a pinch of black pepper. Toast these on a pan or in a toaster until they are golden and crispy. You want crispy edges. Once your sourdough is ready, we can start assembling. Spread avocado layer of your creamy mixture on the warm sourdough. On top of that, spoon over the hot balsamic soy mushrooms. Their gloss and aroma is unreal. Now add a small dollop of thick ricotta cheese on top. The mild creamy ricotta balances the savory mushroom so well. To finish, sprinkle red chili flakes, radishes, a handful of pumpkin seeds for crunch, and a drizzle of chili oil to bring everything together. Save this recipe for your next quick lunch and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipe every week.